I will just show you how to convert these hexadecimal number systems also into the decimal number systems. So the hexadecimal number system uses 16 values to represent the numbers. Values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A, B, C, D, E and F, with 0 having least value and F having the greatest value. In that, leftmost column is used to represent the greatest value. So this one, so the leftmost column is the which you represent it as same thing I shown you in the octal systems. So we can see that 0 to F up to 16, it up to 15 is represented. Then if you want to represent still numbers, then it is taken as 10 to F once again. So once again I will show you the chart. So up to 15 it is being represented like this, 0 to F. So then if you want to represent 16, then it is being represented this one as 10. 16 is being represented as 10, then 11, 12, 13, 19, like that it follows. So now just we see converting a hexadecimal to decimal system. Convert 176 into hexadecimal into decimal systems. So how can you convert an hexadecimal to decimal? So you can see 176 with 1 having the highest significant bit and 6 having the least significant bit. That is being shown here. The leftmost column are in the same way. In the leftmost column is used to represent the greatest value. So this is the greatest value here. So 1 into 16 raised to, this is 0, 1, 2, 16 raised to 2. Then 7 into 16 raised to 1. Then 6 into 16 raised to 0. So 16 raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 6, 6. 16 raised to 1 is 1. 16 into 7, 112. 1 into 16 square, that is 256. So add this, you will be getting 374. Okay. So same thing, if you want to represent the done by the position done by multiplying the significant bit in the binary, octal and decimal by the respective weights and adding it by the product. So if you want to convert it in the decimal system, you can also do it like this: a into 16 raised to 2, that is 2. So if you have got A3BH, why? Because in the hexadecimal you will be getting a number in the form of A, B, C, D, E, F also. So if you got in that, don't confuse, you just write A into 16 raised to 2 and 3 into 10 raised to 16 raised to 1, B into 16 raised to 1. Then you convert what the A represents. A represents the 10 in the decimal and 3 is 3 only. B represents 11. So you just put it 11 here. So 10 into 16 square plus 3 into 16 raised to 1. 11 into 16 raised to 0. So why I have written A as 10? Same, simple. Just here in the decimal, 10 is being represented as A, 11 is being represented as B. Okay, so I think you got this. You just multiply, add, and you will be getting 2619 in terms of decimal. So similarly for 2F3H, you just multiply 2F3 and in the hexadecimal, actually it is hexadecimal, so it should be in small letter. They have given it in capital letter. So we have to take A3B only. So A3B in hexa is being converted into decimal. So 2F3 in hexa you can convert into hexadecimal. We just go through this one and you can understand. F in 15 and 3 in 3. Okay. So now I will show you how to convert in double method. You just see here I am just converting the 374 which I have shown you like that one. See here 374 which you got right now, 374 which you got right now in decimal. I just want to convert into the hexadecimal. So just see that 374 16. If you divide it by this one, you will be getting it in 23, and the remainder which you get. So how can you find? You can do this one. You just, there is having simple calculation, 374 by 16. You will see that 23.375. You just do one thing, you just multiply 23 into 16 and you will be getting 368. So if you get this 368, you subtract it by 374, you will be getting 6. Then you put that 6 here, that comes 6. So then you divide it by once again by 16 and you will be getting 1. So 16 into 6, and the division 23 minus 16, that comes as 7. So you were getting it as 176. So 176 in hexa, this one in decimal. I hope you understood this, and if you are having any doubt regarding the conversion, you just contact me, okay, through WhatsApp. Fine, have a nice day.